Good morning children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Everybody listen the class carefully and you must do the given work. I hope everybody are safe at home. I am Geeta, EVS educator, class 2nd standard, subject EVS, topic types of plants. Our earth has a green cover of plants on its surface. Plants are found all around us. Some plants grow on land and some grow in water. Living beings cannot exist without plants. Living beings cannot exist without plants. They need plants for food and oxygen. They need plants for food and oxygen. Plants are of different shapes and types. Today we are going to learn types of plants. There are many types of plants: trees, herbs, shrubs, creepers and climbers. Plants differ in size, shape, color, smell and place of growth. Based on the size and type of stem, plants are of the different types. There are trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. Just like you and me, these plants too grow in different places and live for different periods of time. Now let us learn about trees. Trees are tall and big plants. Trees are tall and big plants. A tree has a thick, strong and woody stem called trunk. A tree has a thick, strong and woody stem called trunk. It helps the tree to stand upright. In most trees, the trunk bears many small stems called branches. The branches bear leaves, flowers and fruits. The branches bear leaves, flowers and fruits. The trunk is covered with a thick, hard outer covering called bark. The trunk is covered with a thick, hard outer covering called bark. Trees live for many years. Trees live for many years. A tree is home to several small animals like squirrels, monkeys, birds and insects. Trees have strong and woody stems. Trees are big in size. The stems of trees are called as trunks. Example: banyan tree, mango tree, neem tree. Now let us learn about shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They are bushy. They have thin woody stems. They grow from near the ground. They have many branches. They have many branches. Shrubs live only for a few years. Shrubs live only for a few years. Shrubs are small to medium sized woody plants. They grow up to height of 5 to 6 meters. They are smaller than trees. They are highly branched from the base of the stem. They have many thin, brown and woody stems. They are also called bushes. Shrubs usually live for a few years. Examples for shrubs: rose, hibiscus, jasmine, cotton and mehendi. Now let us learn about They are have woody stems. Here you can see the pictures of rose, champa, cotton and tomato. They have woody stems. Shrubs have woody stems. Shrubs are small to medium sized woody plants and may grow up to height of 5 to 6 meters. They are smaller than trees. They have many thin brown and woody stems. They have many thin brown and woody stems. Now let us learn about herbs. Herbs are small plants with soft green stems. Herbs are small plants with soft green stems. They are seasonal plants. They do not usually live for a long time. Herbs are very small and weak plants. They have thin green and soft stems. They usually live for 3 to 4 months. It can be used to add flavor to food. Herbs are mostly known for their smell, which is pleasant and amazing. Herbs is used as medicines also. Small and weak plants are called herbs. Small and weak plants are called herbs. Herbs are weak and cannot grow very high. They do not live for long. Herbs do not live for long. Now let us learn about climbers. Climbers are plants with weak stems. Climbers are plants with weak stems. They must climb on other plants, sticks or walls to grow. Some plants have long, thin and weak stems. They climb on other plants, fences, walls, sticks, etc. for support. They are called climbers. Climbers cannot grow straight on their own. Climbers are weak plants. They need support of walls, sticks or other plants to grow. Example for climbers are grapevine, money plant, pea plant. Weak plants, they need support of walls, sticks or other plants to grow. These are called climbers. Now let us learn about creepers. Creepers are weak plants that mostly grow along the ground. They have weak stems and thin branches. Creepers usually bear big fruits. Some plants with weak stems grow along the ground. They bear big vegetables or fruits, which is the reason for their growing along the ground. They are called creepers. Example for creepers: watermelon, pumpkin. Creepers, they grow along the ground. They are weak plants. Example for creepers: pumpkin and watermelon and cucumber. In this class, you have learnt types of plants. In the next class, you will learn water plants and parts of a plant. Today's home assignment is name the following. First one, name 3 of your favorite fruits that grow on trees. Answer: mango, apple, papaya. Name 3 of your favorite fruits that grow on trees. Mango, apple, papaya. Second one, name 3 big trees. Answer, banyan tree, coconut tree, neem tree. Third question, name 3 types of shrubs. Answer, rose, hibiscus, marigold. Name 3 types of shrubs, rose, hibiscus, marigold. Fourth one, name 3 types of herbs. Answer, tulsi, coriander, mint. Name 3 types of herbs, tulsi, coriander, mint. See children, all these 4 questions you have to write in your all homework book. Write this one twice. Thank you.